Hi, my name is Jovan. I am the CEO and co-founder of JigsawStack. JigsawStack has built commonly used services into a single platform optimized with an AI layer, allowing developers to integrate once and access over 80 different API services. Each API services have been optimized to be faster, cheaper, and easier to integrate. One good example is our AI web scraper. The AI web scraper takes a typical scraping engine that you would use to scrape any website and combine it with AI, allowing developers to easily integrate scraping into their platform without having to write a lot of code and understand different websites in the market. Let's try to scrape Hacker News. So Hacker News has title, points, and a bunch of descriptions. Over here in the IDE, I've already set up a small demo where I've pasted the URL for Hacker News, the things I would like to scrape without writing a single piece of code, and I can send that request over. In just a few seconds, the AI engine, which has been optimized and fine-tuned specifically for scraping websites, will learn what Hacker News is all about and try to scrape the relevant points. As you can see, based on the prompts that we gave, it scraped the titles like we saw on the website, and the descriptions as related, and the points as we scroll down. JigsawStack does this for every API, where we take a commonly used API, allow the developer to integrate it very easily, and optimize it for the more common use cases, allowing you to code less and get more of each API. Beyond that, we try to make the developer's life a lot more easier with consistent documentation, where you have one single piece of allocation to have all APIs listed out with consistent schema and a consistent structure. This makes it a lot easier and 10 times faster for any developer to integrate JigsawStack once and have access to a full suite of API services, from emails that you typically use when building a platform, scraping engines, currencies, and much more. The dashboard takes this a step further. APIs typically in most third-party services are a pain to use, with some having logging, some not having a strong API key management system. This is where we brought all the problems that we typically see when we're using third-party API services and solved it in a single platform, where you have built-in analytics to view your API usage and how it's being used. We have strong security keys, allowing you to create keys specific to each API and write rules to secure your API keys, and a powerful logging system where you can go dive deep into each of the interactions with your APIs that you have been using in JigsawStack. This also can act as an audit log or as a place for you to debug your APIs, where you can see the request that has been made and the responses that has been made and who has made this request and responses. All of this is built into a single platform and has been optimized for the best developer experience. I would love to show you more of what JigsawStack can do and all the APIs that we have built in the next section. Thank you. See you again.